Recovered an SSQ6 file from a research lab archive and need to extract the data? This is a Superbase scientific database file used in scientific data management. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Superbase Scientific Query 6 database files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective SSQ6 file solution for the tough cases near the end. This file contains critical financial data for a business using Sage 50 account software. A user searching for this is likely trying to access, restore, or migrate their company's accounting records, including ledgers, invoices, and customer details. It is the core database for the application. The SSQ6 file is a proprietary binary database format. This structure is designed for data integrity, transactional security, and efficient querying of financial records. Using a binary format protects the data from casual editing and allows for complex relational indexing, crucial for accounting software performance. The SSQ6 format has primary linkage to the Superbase application by Superbase developers. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows may show file properties, but not the records, so you need database tools to access them. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your SSQ6 file and choose Open With. Test Superbase if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If the SSQ6 file won't open, don't panic. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening with Superbase Scientific. Install Superbase Scientific from the publisher if available, or use a legacy installation. Launch the application and use File then Open Database to load the SSQ6 file. The database displays tables and records in the Superbase environment where you can browse, query, and export the scientific data records. Next, exporting to standard formats. Within Superbase Scientific, use the export function to convert tables to CSV or Excel formats. This enables data migration to modern database systems like SQL Server, PostgreSQL, or specialized LIMS platforms. Validate exported data against original records, ensuring scientific data integrity is preserved through the conversion process. Finally, migrating to modern LIMS. For ongoing scientific data management, migrate SSQ6 data to a modern laboratory information management system, such as Labware LIMS or LabVantage. Export the SSQ6 data to CSV. Use the LIMS import tools and map fields appropriately. Modern systems provide better support, compliance, and integration capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.